This video, we're going to talk about concentrating your fruit. This strawberry on the left is cooked in its own juices. Okay, so the whole point in this video is I want to show what happens when you concentrate a strawberry and it turns into this. Look at this. Hey, what's up, Chaz?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I was asking about you yesterday.
Oh yeah? Why?
I haven't seen you in a while.
Some straws. So we're gonna do some of these, some of these. All right, man. Take care. Hey, what's up? I want to see if you can sous vide them for me. What's up, Matt? You're doing some pretty shots. Wow.
Playing around with
Look at Nick.
Sides. You get the whole process here, but this is the finished smoked. Sitting and air drying for the pellet pool before the smoke.
Yeah.
So it goes in here for 3 hours to get a little skin on it. This is.
These, I want to just concentrate the flavors in the sous vide. That's it.
Yep.
So I was just thinking of literally putting them straight in bags and then cooking them off at what? Maybe 180 for like 2 hours. Lower?
148.
148?
48 is like the magic number for
148, Matt says?
48 1 hour.
It's high enough that you cook out cook down the pectin, so you get like that gelatin like thickening aspect. That's
Also, if you cook at 185, your color is just gonna degrade. So it's gonna stay nice and bright at the 148.
Gotcha. Okay. So why would I cook these at 148?
Why would you cook them at 148? Well, it depends what you want to do with them, but vacuuming them will break up all the cells and get rid of all the air, and that's going to make them vibrant, dense. It will release a lot of the juices and enzymes that naturally break down the fruit. So anytime you add acid to something like a fruit, it will make it taste more fruity. So if you add malic acid, it'll make strawberries be more strawberry, and the raspberries be more raspberry.
And if you don't have malic, would you use lemon juice?
You can use lemon juice, yep. I want to eat one of these muffins! We got citric acid. So many acids. I think we could just use citric. Let's just use citric.
Citric?
So you can get citric anywhere and everywhere too.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Citric it is. You can get that at a drugstore.
Yeah, like Whole Foods even. Like, you can always add more later too. So, like barely.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Nice and quiet. Expanding a little bit just because the chamber's exiting air faster.
Just like that.
These are vacuum packed. This is like a medium vacuum. Now you gotta sous vide them.
All right, we got them. Sous vide. Now we're gonna circulate them in the Joule. Here are all the fruits. We've got huckleberries, raspberries, strawberries, all vacuum packed thanks to Grant. And also this is his device that he made called the Joule. It's a circulator. It has a water bath going at 148 degrees Fahrenheit, just like all the guys told me to do. 148 degrees Fahrenheit, they're gonna go in here, dropping them right in. Now I have these weights here. I'm just gonna weigh them down like that. So now the fruit should stay submerged in the water. I'm gonna let this go for about 2 hours, then we'll come back and we'll see how it looks. Okay, next up we're gonna go over the flan. Now for this flan, I'm going a little out of the box. I'm gonna be using a strawberry milk tea. I'm first gonna make the custard. It's gonna have 2 eggs, followed by a can of the sweetened condensed milk. Then into that, I'm tossing in the strawberry milk tea that's straight from a can as well. Then we're gonna put that custard into our pan that I put the strawberry sugar into. All it is sugar plus some strawberries I crushed up by hand. I bring it up to a hard ball stage, put that into my container, cover that with parchment paper, foil, toss it in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And preheat the oven to 350, and then I have warm water going in here so the flan evenly cooks. All right, so flan is in the water bath. This is just gonna cook. That's gonna cook in the oven for about 2 hours or until it reaches 100, or at least until the custard reaches 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 2 hours, and as you can see, all the juices that came out are straight from the berries. Concentrated flavor right there. That's what this is. This is just straight up concentrated. And then the citric acid that we added to it, that's gonna make the berries taste more berry-y, if that makes any sense. This is huckleberry, which I think we only have local to Seattle. That's why they're so expensive if you don't live here. Look at all that juice. Yum. So why would you do this? You want to do this, you can concentrate the fruit, the berry. This is concentrating the flavor. Like, it smells like legit berry. Come smell this real quick. Like, smell that. That's like straight up raspberry.
So good.
Yeah, and there's no sugar added to this. This is all the natural sugars. So I don't know what's happening scientifically, but I'll tell you, it's probably like caramelizing the sugars or something like that. It smells so good. This one smells like a straight up fruit roll up, fruit by the foot. That's great. I'll use a wood skewer to check the flan. You can use a thermometer if you want. I'm just showing you this way. If it comes out kind of wet, the flan is not quite done. I'm looking for 176 and over. Yeah, so this flan is done, man. That's 197. Custard's usually set at 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoa. That's actually fucking stunning. So as you can see, like these little bubbles all around, that's because it's gone a little too far, but it's very smooth, so we're good. I like that there's a little random floating berry in there. This is gonna be a nice one. Now I'm just gonna let this cool completely. Okay, so we've just decided to not wait, be impatient, and we're gonna see if it comes out while it's still hot. I recommend that you just let it cool completely, but fuck that shit right now. Okay, this is hot as fuck. I don't know why I'm holding it. I just made a mess. Oh, okay. I made a mistake, but this is why we wait. Anyways, we're gonna try it. So this is why you always wait to remove your flan. But look at how creamy that looks anyways. We'll call it spoon flan. And we've got this beautiful looking mistake of a flan. And this is why we concentrate our berries, because it could just elevate a mistake as well. Look how pretty that looks. Yum.